To get started on the board, place your feet on the footrest and your heels on the ground. Lift them a little bit. In this way you can catch the board when you start to wobble. Later, as you get better and better, you move your feet up so you have your heels on, and then you can sit and exercise. Let me show you how it looks from the front. Okay, this is starting position. You find a point not too far away and fix your eyes on. And you start like this. Hands in, don't have your hands out here, have them in here. And start to do. Catch the ball with your heels until you get better. When you get better, you put your heels up and you do like this. Catch the ball with your hips. And continue for hours. Have fun.